Hey guys, it's been a while since we have seen each other, so I'm back here making another video and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna write as I talk. So we're gonna be making a palindrome in C. And if you don't know what palindrome is, then palindrome is basically when you have something like, I'm gonna make a random work, so like Karak. And see, if from here, if you spell it by reverse, it says the same thing. So something like radar is Karak. So if it's, let's say, RADAR, so it's the same thing. Something like Santa is not it's not a palindrome. It's like Karak, sorry. It's not a palindrome because ATNAS does not spell Santa, it spells ATNAS. So yeah, my main function. So typical usual stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function to do this. It's better if you create a function for this. So it's palindrome, palindrome, and we're gonna give it a string as a constant, a string as a parameter, and shit. Sorry, I'm thinking. So we want first, what we want to do is we want to get the length of the string. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to first start again with a radar. We're gonna have one variable pointing at the end and one variable pointing at the beginning, and then the end will subtract, the beginning will go forward, and we're gonna get the thing that way. So first, we need to get the size of the string. That way we know what the hell it is. So we're going to use size t, because that's what string length returns. And we're going to use the string header. You can get the size without the string header, but you know, it just makes it more easier. So we get a string length, and then with the string length, string. Easy peasy. String length, you can see it there, returns an onside long. Size t is an onside long. And what we do now is we take a int left, and int left is going to be 0 because we're going to start at the beginning. So it's going to point to the beginning of the pointer, which is basically where it points to. And then we're going to have a right that's going to point to the string length, and we got to subtract it by 1. Why is it that we subtract it by 1? Well, the string, every string in C has a no terminator. That's how it knows where to stop counting. So something like hello will actually, in C, if you put something like hello, it will actually be hello like that. This is the no terminator. This is what stops the string. So we want to just have the characters. We don't want to include the no terminator. String length includes it, so we gotta subtract it. So now what we do is we make a while loop. So we say, well, the left is less than or equal to the right, and then we say if the string left is the same as the string right, that means both characters match, that we should increment left and we should decrement right. And then we also want to have an else, because you don't want the program to like look up both right and left, right and left, right and left. We also need you don't want it to look left and right, left and right, left and right. If it just doesn't spot it in a character, that means immediately it's not a palindrome. So we want to return 0. 0 means false, by the way. Actually, that's why I use bool. Standard bool. So we can make this a boolean. In fact, we can keep this as an int. And all you got to do is just return false. This will return false if it's if the characters so much. That way it doesn't have to like summon the whole damn program to know it's not a palindrome. Once it doesn't match, boom, it's not a palindrome. And if it does match, and this is never called, then we want to exit with a return true, which is also return 1. I'm gonna go to return true so you can better understand it. So now we go here and we do constant char pointer string, and we can just name it as a hello. We'll say hello, and then we call. If it's palindrome, and we give it the string hello, we can say printf is a palindrome. So if it returns true, it's gonna be a palindrome, which is hello. I should whatever on rename it. Then if it doesn't return true, then it's not a palindrome, which is hello. And also let's add new lines. That should be it. So if we go to our shell and we this is my the file, let's compile it and let's run it. Hello is not a palindrome. So let's do something like radar. Oops, radar. Pally string. That's better. Place string. Hello with pally string. There we go. Oops. So let's compile it. Radar is a palindrome. So that's how you make palindromes. And to show you that 0 and 1, it means like this 0 means false. Anything above 0 is gonna be true. You can just do like that. You can see it still is the same shit. So yeah, that's how you make a palindrome in C. Anyway, bye guys. Peace.